I give notice that on the next sitting day I will move one, that this House notes that forestry, national park and road and transport workers will now be able to utilise the same mental health support as other first responders following the Minns Labor government's release of the New South Wales Mental Health and Wellbeing Strategy for First Responders 2025 to 2029. B, first responders are the people who arrive first at emergency incidents and historically have included emergency service workers like those in Fire and Rescue New South Wales Rural Fire Service, Ambulance Service of New South Wales State Emergency Service, Marine Rescue New South Wales Police Force, Surf Life Saving New South Wales and VRA Rescue New South Wales. C, the addition of those who, as part of their job, respond to critical incidents like bushfires, floods and road accidents working at the Forestry Corporation of New South Wales, National Parks and Wildlife Service and Transport for New South Wales to the new mental health and wellbeing strategy for first responders is significant. Being a first responder exposes workers to confronting dangerous and traumatic incidents, putting them at a higher risk of psychological harm. D, the strategy is made up of 15 priority actions, 7 guiding principles, and 5 strategic objectives of protect, promote, respond, recover, and enable. E, to complement the release of the strategy, the Minns Labor government is requiring all applicable agencies to provide workers with psychological first aid training, quickly provide impacted first responders with referrals to appropriate clinical care, and is also establishing peer support services. F, speaking on the release of the new strategy, the Australian Workers Union New South Wales Branch Secretary Tony Callanan said, first responders provide an essential service to the community, protecting citizens and responding to a range of emergency situations. I support this strategy, which will improve the mental health outcomes for all participants. G, the new strategy was launched on 4th of April 2025 by the Premier, Chris Minns, the Minister for Work, Health and Safety, Sophie Kotsis, the Minister for Emergency Services, Jihad Dib, the Minister for Mental Health, Rose Jackson, and Minister for Roads and Regional Transport, Jenny Aitchison. H, the strategy was developed in line with the recommendations and findings of the Black Dog Institute's 2024 Mental Health Support for New South Wales First Responders Review, along with several other strategies developed in recent years.